Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you some useful tips in Unity. So to start off, I'm going to teach you about range. So for example, we have a variable here which is jump height that requires a value. You could just type this one, open and close brackets, and then range, and then parentheses, and inside the parentheses you must put your minimum and maximum value of your range. So for example, let's save this one and then go back to Unity. And now, as you can see, we have now this thing. Oh wait, we have now this thing that if you drag it on your left, it will go onto your lowest value, and to the right into your max value, which is -1 and 1. So for the next tip is the text area. So for example, you just have to type public string sample text, and then to use text area just like the range, type in open and close brackets, text area, then parentheses, and then similar to this one, your minimum value of text and the maximum value. So for example, in my case, I put 1 and 100, then save that up. Check Unity, and let's check. Now you can see we have a text box here. I think this is useful if you want to add details here. So for the next tip is this is called a tool tip. So to use this one, you need to type open and close brackets, and then type tooltip parentheses, then you enter what message do you want to show in the tooltip. So for example, I entered this is a tooltip, and then save this one. So this will appear if you hover your mouse in that sample text I declared here. So let's go back to Unity to check this one. As I hover the mouse, that should appear this a tooltip. So that's how you use a tooltip. And so for the last one is require component. So for that, you also need to type in open and close bracket, then type require component with a capital R and C, then parenthesis, type of, then parenthesis. For example, I added rigid body, then close parenthesis, and then another close parenthesis, and then save that up. So that will make the script add a rigid body automatically without doing the add component button, then manually add rigid body. So for example, I'm gonna add this script into this cylinder. Now you can see it automatically add rigid body. So I think that's it for some tips, useful tips in Unity. Hope this will help you. Thank you for watching.